Alright, this is the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is an unboxing of it. Oh, shoot. Accidentally. Oh well. Okay. That's it. Nothing. This is nice. The braided cables, always like that. And then we just have some paperwork. No stickers. Apple's done with those stickers. And this is the phone. Let's get a listen. Actually, let's turn this off. Woohoo! All right, I have a gripe with Apple real quick. I bought the iPhone XS Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Those 4 phones I bought, I got an Apple case with them when I was pre-ordering them, okay? And they delivered to my house on the release date. When I bought the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I could not get it delivered to my house on the release date because my conspiracy theory is because I did not add a case to my cart when I was buying them, and for that reason they wanted me to come to the Apple store to get it on release date, so maybe I would buy a case, but whatever, it's here. That's it. Nothing special.